Accidentally deleted an important folder from your Windows desktop? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to recover accidentally deleted pictures using Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition, which allows unlimited file recovery for home users. First, download Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition from lazesoft.com. When installing, it's important to install the software on another drive, not drive C. This helps avoid overwriting deleted files. Launch Lazesoft Recovery Suite. Click Data Recovery. Choose Undelete to search for deleted files. Since the desktop is located under the User Profile folder, select Drive C. Click Start Search to scan the drive for deleted files. The Home Edition allows you to recover unlimited files free, so you can restore all deleted pictures without any recovery limit. After the scan finishes, all found files will be listed. First, check the $recycle bin folder, expand folder. The pictures are not there. Next, check the desktop folder under C, Users. The deleted pictures are still not found. Now switch to the File Type tab. Select JPG images to quickly locate deleted picture files. In the filter box, type the located folder name and press Enter. Select the folder and click Save Files. Always save the recovered files to another drive, for example, H. Open the recovery folder to verify the recovered pictures. As you can see, the deleted pictures have been successfully restored. These are files whose original folder structure is lost. You can also recover them the same way. And that's how you recover accidentally deleted folders and pictures in Windows using Lazesoft Recovery Suite. Download the free Home Edition from lazesoft.com and try it yourself.